29 on the CL. I'm in at 29. The stop here is 24. 5 ticks to 24. It's either going to go or it isn't. Stop at 24. This is the bottom of that RTH signal area, and I'm going to look for this to get a bounce. I'm in from 29. Stop here is even. All right, so let's talk about this for just a second here. So did it actually get up to 60? It did hit 60 and then fell off there a little bit, right? That right into the volume weighted average price. Okay, so let's go through this one more time. Let me just, since we've got a bit of time here, let me just go through this one time. Okay, so what did we have in play here today? We had a market that had made a high after a news announcement, and then it broke back inside of the previous day value, right? Which is always an important thing. And so we talked about the relative volume here today being at about, well, right now it is 54%, right? Well, that's sluggish volume, right? At 54%. So what happens in those kind of conditions? There's no follow through. There's no real aggressive action. So the market comes back inside of the value area, and you would expect it to test the other side of value area, which it did. Now, we didn't get short, but we took a very good small risk, high reward opportunity, right? This ends up being a 5-to-1 reward to risk opportunity at our levels. So we talked about this, waiting for the bottom of this range to get tagged, and then it immediately rejected out at the same time that the cumulative delta was beginning to push back up again. So all that was kind of coincided together, a logical targeting destination, in these kind of choppy conditions is settlement. So all of these factors together, your levels, your delta, the bottom of yesterday's value area, all of these things together gave us an opportunity to take a trade. We took a trade with a 5-tick stop, right? And so it works great. It doesn't, then you took a 5-tick stop, right? So all of that being said, that was kind of the genesis of that.